Okay, so I just got home from work and I found this on my bed. This is the phone I ordered, and without further ado, it's a small box. Hallelujah! Samsung Omnia. Very flashy. Wow. It's very lightweight. Very thin. It's right in my pocket. Very nice. Oh wow. Okay. Wow. Tips, hints, and shortcuts. Windows Mobile 6 software. Oh, this is the stylus. This is a USB connector. Wall charger. The batería. And this is the adapter thing. So you can put like your charger and your headphones at the same time. And this is the headphones thing. The adapter. You put your headphones in there, and you connect this to the phone. Very awesome. Okay, so I have to charge this, and I will upload a new video showing the performance. 5 mega autofocus. What's that? Focus. Autofocus. Okay, thanks.